In this video, I will show you how to find the Facebook dating app. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on Facebook. Now, what you're going to want to do is actually come and press onto your profile icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner. So once you've pressed onto this, you'll be taken into your menu. Now from here, you want to scroll down to this section here where you've got things like your memories, saved groups, and so on and so forth. And in this section, if you look, there's going to be a see more button. So if you actually press onto this button, this is going to show you some further apps, and you can actually find the Facebook dating app here. So we can press this and then press get started, and we can go ahead and start using the Facebook dating app. So that is how to find the Facebook dating app. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.